name is Tracy. I'm here to talk to you about neuroevolution. Wikipedia actually defines it as a social theory that tries to explain the evolution of societies by drawing the Charles Darwin theory of evolution and discarding some dogmas. So basically, all that means is it is taking Darwin's theory of evolution, saying that we are involved, us people are involved by other things other than instead of being created by God. So neuroevolution just takes that on its axis and turns it and tells them that we actually have the power to create our own evolution, not just for us, but for also for our offspring. For instance, we could, if change our DNA in the sense of curing cancer or making sure that our offspring has no cancer, or also maybe changing our DNA and making us either more smarter or more athletic and stuff like that. It's really fascinating. And one example of technology that is neo-evolutionaryism is the fact that now people are allowed to create a child through three people. As in, for example, if a couple is not allowed to have children, they can actually take part of their DNA, both the DNAs, and put it into the donor's egg and allow the donor to carry the two people's DNA with them. A lot of people have been talking about how it's very controversial because they don't want the donor's DNA to be more superior than the couple's DNA for the child, and it actually isn't that way. The donor's DNA is very, very small fraction, so the couple's DNA actually fights through that. Some drawbacks is obviously we are now created as God, and a lot of people frown upon that, but I personally think that this is a really huge scientific jump, per se, for this big, huge technology, because we're using science to help better each other. If this gets through, then I think that we have a better opportunity to survive longer and make our lives, not as human race, but personally live longer. It's a very fascinating technology, and I highly hope that it goes through with it. I'm looking really forward to it.